Hello my friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. In today's video we are going to make aluminum air battery. It will be very simple, very easy, but very effective and very professional aluminum air battery. It won't be rechargeable, but it will be reusable battery. It means you can use this battery maybe more than 50 times and it will be reusable, not rechargeable but reusable battery. So not only one time you will use this battery, you can use more than one time, maybe 50 or 60 times this battery. So let me show you the materials that we are going to use to make our battery. I have a small aluminum tube here, as you see, and just a very small piece of copper foil and two pieces of circular plastic part. Momentarily you will understand why we need these parts and how we will make our battery. So let's start to make our battery. My friends, I have a solution here. This solution is mixed of hydrochloric acid and hydrogen peroxide mixed, and I will just clean my copper foil with this solution. So the surface of the copper foil will be a little bit edged, and when I apply the activated carbon to the surface of the copper foil, it will stick to it better, so we will get a better result in this way. So first of all, as I said, I will just clean my copper foil with this solution. Just a little bit will be enough. As you see how it's shining when you clean the surface. Okay. Okay. Can you see the difference? Okay, clean it very well. Now I will dry the copper foil. Okay. Now I am going to solder this part. Now I am going to soldering here as well. See, it's very nice shape. Now my friends, I will use some activated carbon here. As you see, this is a mix of activated carbon and graphite. 80% of activated carbon and 20% of graphite, and add just a little bit white glue as a binder. So I just stir it very well. Now I will stir with my fine brush and apply to the copper foil. Just stir it very well. Okay, just like this. You see? It's a good black color paint, activated carbon. Okay, I will just paint my copper foil. A little bit. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to let it to dry for about 2 or 3 hours. After 2 or 3 hours, the paint will be dry and we will continue to make our battery, my friends. Okay, my friends, now I am going to use my hot glue and I will just cover the bottom of the aluminum tube with this small piece of plastic. I will just cover the bottom of the aluminum tube with my hot glue, my friends. Okay, my friends, our copper electrode dried very well. It's dried completely. Now we will round it with an separator paper and put it in the aluminum tube. Okay, let's continue. For this, I am going to use just a paper towel here. Just fold the paper towel according to the copper electrode. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to round with this paper. Okay, just cut the excessive part. I will just tape the bottom of the separator paper. Now I will put it into the aluminum. Now at this point, let me tell you something, make some explanation about the battery. I will just fill the electrolyte here. The copper will be one electrode and the aluminum will be one electrode, and the battery produce electricity. Now lastly, I will just cover the top of the battery with this part. I will just cover it with this plastic here. Again, I am going to use my hot glue. Okay, my friends, our battery almost ready. Now we need to just add electrolyte into this battery and it will be ready to use. Now let's prepare our electrolyte. For our electrolyte, I have some water here and I am going to use just table salt. I will put some table salt into the water and prepare a saturated solution, electrolyte, and I will add the electrolyte to my battery. I will stir the table salt into the water very well. Okay, to add the electrolyte, I am going to use this injector. And from here, I will add the electrolyte. Okay, add some more. Okay, my friends, we just add the electrolyte and our battery is ready to use. As you see, it looks very nice, very beautiful aluminum air battery. Now we will make some tests on it. We will measure the voltage and the current on the battery. But before we move on that, I want to tell you something. At the beginning of the video, I told you that this battery will be reusable battery. Now I will tell you how you could reuse this battery. When your electrolyte dried in the battery, you can just add some more electrolyte from here to the battery, right? So after you add some more electrolyte, new electrolyte to the battery, you can use that battery. So for about 50 or 60 times, you can add more electrolyte to this battery and use it. But after 50 or 60 times, the electrolyte will oversaturated with the salt and your battery will almost completely dead. Okay, so 50 or 60 times you can reuse this battery. Now let's move on to make some test on this battery. Okay, my friends, first of all I have a speaker here and I will apply the battery to my speaker and I will try to hear the voice. Okay, you can see our battery just worked the speaker. Now let's see the voltage and the current inside the battery. I just set it my multimeter to voltage mode. As you see, the aluminum part will be negative and the copper will be positive. Okay. Okay, very nice. As you see, we have around 1 volt, 1.05 volt. See, more than 1 volt. Okay, about 1 volt. It's pretty nice, pretty good. 1 volt is very nice for this battery. Now let's look at the current inside the battery. Okay. Yeah, the current is about 100 milliamp. Okay, the current is about 100 milliamp. 100 milliamp also good for this battery. You can use this battery for about 5 or 6 hours, maybe 7 hours. After your battery died, you can add some more electrolyte. You can also remove the electrolyte from here. From here, you can also, as you see, you can just remove the all electrolyte and add new electrolyte to the battery. So that's why I say this is reusable battery. Yes, this is not rechargeable, but this is reusable battery. Now lastly, I'm going to try to run this small DC motor with my battery. Okay, as you see, it can run the DC motor. Not very powerful, but it's enough for this battery. You can run it. Okay, my friends, we get the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. See you in the next videos.